One UI 7 will be the last update that will receive some Galaxy devices. This would mark the end of full support for these models. So let me give you the list. The list has been published based on the update policies of these types of older models that did not yet have such a widespread policy as the newer models have. So the list is headed by the Galaxy S21 along with the Plus model and the Ultra model, also Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3, which are foldables that have been on the market a little bit longer. Of course, there are also the Galaxy A14 and A14 5G, along with other members of that whole Galaxy A series. There are also the Galaxy M33, M14, and the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite Edition 2022. Since remember that this Galaxy Tab S6 Lite has had several renovations, that has been something curious, but is still sold as a recent model. So specifically, the 2022 model is going to get One UI 7, but it will be their last update. But newer models, if they're still going to get not just One UI 7, but more updates down the road. So I think Samsung is one of the brands that has handled this the best, especially in recent years. But even if you compare these models that I mentioned to you that will receive their latest update, compared to models from other brands from those same years, Samsung is doing a good job. Although it takes a little while to release updates, but at least it seems that it does seem to be delivering on its promise of several years of support. Although, of course, some of the benefits of Android is that through custom ROMs, you can still try to force your device to have a newer version of the system. But since it's not officially supported, it obviously might not have 100% stability and the like. But let me know in the comments what you do when your phone no longer receives updates.